This is a Charles Monroe apartment tour.
We have a bright, large living room with a built-in AC in the window, with overhead storage and a large, deep coat closet, a separate stainless steel kitchen with a dishwasher in the window, a large queen-size bedroom with a built-in AC, with a mid-size closet, 2 extra closets, and of course a marble tile bathroom. Here's the full tour.
I looked in your eyes, thought that this could be trouble, but I wanted to try, 'cause I'm good at pretending that I'm not a mess, but you are the reason my heart beats through my chest. One step forward and 2 steps back. This is how we do our dance. I never thought I could love you. Now I need you here forever. And I know when we're fighting, all the things that we say, they don't hold any water. We forget the next day. They say love makes you crazy, but I need you around.